In today's video, we're going to talk about 6 ways to make money with cryptocurrency. I also place in the description below a link of training I believe is the best crypto trading training out there. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified for future videos. A lot of people are not aware that there are many ways you can earn money with cryptocurrency, other than just buying and hoping that the value of a coin will go up. Here are 6 ways you can make money with cryptocurrency. Number 1. Lending, borrowing. Earn extra money from your crypto investments by starting crypto lending. Cryptocurrency lending involves the participation of borrowers and lenders and agreements between them. Several crypto exchanges support crypto lending, including Nexo, Salt Lending, BlockFi, Oasis, and Celsius. Specifically, cryptocurrency loans include contracts in which borrowers pledge their holdings or cryptocurrency as collateral. Lenders accept terms and offer cash or other cryptocurrencies, and borrowers agree to pay interest to lenders. Typically, in a cryptocurrency loan agreement, the borrower and borrower are individuals, not organizations such as banks. The bottom line is that cryptocurrencies are at the heart of loans that are used as collateral or as the primary source of borrowed value. Thus, lenders can borrow crypto assets or holdings and benefit from interest payments in the form of additional crypto assets. Of course, it's not without risks, and finding platforms that connect potential borrowers and lenders can take some time. But again, if you are looking for a way to make your cryptocurrency work and earn extra money, lending is one of the possible ways worth exploring. Number 2. Traditional buy and hold. The method of making money from crypto is preferable for people who are ready to take risks. It means getting crypto assets of your choice from a crypto exchange and purchasing more when prices drop. Traditionally called buying the dip. After months or years at a significant overall profit, the asset might be sold compared to the purchase price. While established crypto coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin rise and fall daily. But if we look at the chart, we find these coins have maintained an upward trend across the year. New coins like Chia are more likely to debut at a higher price due to the hype. Later, it loses value and requires a long time to recover. Sometimes they're likely to disappear if there are not enough buyers in the market, or the utility of the function performed is insufficient. It is vital to read the white paper for that coin before deciding which cryptocurrency to use as a long-term investment. It will give you a fair idea of the origins and purpose that it serves and provide enough data to allow it to stand the test of time. Number 3. Trading. Investing is a long-term venture based on a buy and hold strategy, but the trading is utilizing short-term opportunities. The crypto market is unpredictable. In a simple term, prices of assets can rise or fall in price dramatically over a short span. You require proper technical and analytical skills to be a successful trader. You will need to analyze the market chart of the performance of the listed assets, so you can make an accurate prediction of the price rise and fall. While trading crypto, you can buy or sell, depending on whether you expect the asset's price to rise or fall. This means you can make a profit whether the price goes up or down. Number 4. Airdrops. Of all the ways to get free cryptocurrency, airdrops offer the highest risks. It's more than you think worthwhile for most investors. Developers perform airdrops when they want support for new cryptocurrencies. In a nutshell, they give the free coin to try to adopt. You can check on the internet when the airdrop project is in progress. They are often promoted by users on the company's website, social media, and other crypto news platforms. It is crucial to be careful with any new crypto project. Fake airdrop and ICO, initial coin offering, are common scams used by hackers. In reality, many coins issued in the form of air bubbles are not very valuable investment stores. Experts recommend sticking with the more well-known cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, especially for newbies. If you follow these recommendations, switch to airdrops. All cryptocurrencies obtained through airdrops are also taxable income. According to the IRS, you must report based on the fair market value of the date of registration on the distributed ledger, in most cases when receiving airdrops from digital wallets. Number 5. Mining. Mining is an important part of proof of work (POW) consensus mechanism and is one of the oldest ways to earn money with cryptocurrencies. This is a process of validating transactions and securing a POW network. To perform these functions, miners receive new coins in the form of block rewards. In the early days of Bitcoin, mining was possible on a desktop computer, but today specialized mining hardware is required. When it comes to network maintenance, starting a masternode is also profitable. A masternode is a wallet that hosts a copy of the entire network. These two methods require a substantial amount of initial and ongoing investment backed with technical expertise. If you are looking to get into crypto mining, I placed the link of miners deals in the description below. which is one of the most reliable sources to buy crypto miners from at the moment. Number 6, dividends. Another method to get money with your crypto assets is to earn dividends. If you're familiar with investing in stocks or bonds, you're probably at least aware of what dividends are. To elaborate in simple language, dividends are small cash payments made to shareholders. If a company makes profit for a quarter, or a year, that depends on sole proprietorship, it splits those profits and returns them to the ownership of the company, shareholders. While you may not see a tidal wave of dividends hit your crypto account without a large balance, it can be a way to make money with the crypto you already own. However, you need to do some research to see which cryptocurrencies are paying dividends and whether the dividends are worth it. Some cryptocurrencies that pay dividends and more coins, or tokens, include VeChain, Neo, Redcoin, Navcoin, Decred, and their annual dividends broadly. Therefore, cryptocurrency dividends differ from stock dividends in that they pay additional tokens rather than cash. So guys, this concludes the list of the 6 ways you can make money with cryptocurrency. You'll find in the description below the link of what I believe is the best crypto trading out there. Give us a thumbs up and show your support in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.